In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block out time on Calendly. If you have a day or a specific date when you're not taking meetings, this quick process lets you mark yourself unavailable so no one can book you during that time. We'll start on your Calendly dashboard. From here, click Availability. This is where your schedules live and where you control when people can book you. Think of a schedule as the set of rules your event types follow. If you use more than one schedule, just make sure you're looking at the one your event types are connected to so the change applies where you expect it to. Next, in the Date-Specific Hours section, choose Hours. Date-specific hours let you override your normal weekly hours for just one date. It's ideal for holidays, travel days, company offsites, or anytime you want to make a one-off change without editing your entire weekly template. Now, select the date you want to block. Use the calendar picker to highlight that exact day. As soon as you select it, Calendly will show you the time ranges you're currently available for on that date, based on your schedule's rules. Under the heading that says, "What hours are you available?" remove the available windows by clicking the X icon next to each time range. If you see more than one range, continue removing them until none remain. With no time ranges listed, that date becomes unavailable for booking. Essentially, it's fully blocked out. If you only need part of the day blocked, remove the time ranges that cover the hours you don't want available and leave the rest visible. You can always come back and fine-tune this later if plans change. Finally, apply your changes by clicking Apply. This saves the override and updates availability across any event types that use this schedule. You should now see that date reflected as unavailable, confirming it's blocked to invitees. A few quick tips to keep everything consistent. Double check the time zone shown on the page so your blocked date aligns with your local time, especially if you travel. Date-specific hours affect only the date you chose. Your regular weekly availability stays the same everywhere else. And if you change your mind later, just return to date-specific hours for that date, add back an availability window, and click Apply again to reopen booking. That's all it takes to block out time on Calendly. Your availability is updated and guests won't be able to book on that date. Thanks for watching, and keep your schedule running smoothly by using date-specific hours whenever you need a quick exception.